Hey guys, so I'm going to give you a quick rundown on where you should be dropshipping. Should you be dropshipping on eBay.com or eBay.co.uk? I'm going to give that a quick rundown in a minute. But before we start, if you're new to the channel, I highly recommend going and hitting subscribe because I upload videos daily about making money online. So if you're into that kind of thing, go hit subscribe and give me a thumbs up. So let's dive in. Let's head straight over to eBay.com. Now, here we are, eBay.com. Now, if you're American, obviously you want to start with eBay.com, and that's where you want to dropship. As an international seller, again, you want to start selling on eBay.com, not ebay.co.uk, not the English one. Main reason being, it will be a lot easier for you to get started dropshipping on ebay.com. As an international seller, if you want to start selling in the UK on ebay.co.uk, you have to have a limited company and you have to be VAT registered. That's VAT. That's value added tax. And you have to be VAT registered straight away. There is no wiggle room. As soon as you start selling in the UK as an international seller, you have to be VAT registered. Whereas if you were to dropship on ebay.com, you don't, because it's not the UK. You're not charging VAT, you'll be charging sales tax. But I'm not too sure how that works as an international seller, so please still do some research into that. But don't come and sell on ebay.co.uk as an international seller, because it will be a hell of a lot harder for you to get started. ebay.com is where you want to be. Now, English sellers selling in the UK, don't worry about VAT, value added tax, because you have to hit 85k a year in sales before you start charging VAT. And as a new dropshipper, you are not going to be there for a while, so don't even worry about it. Don't even stress the little things. Start making sales and grow your business. Then, as you get bigger, we as UK sellers can move over to America and start, well, not actually move over physically. You don't want to go and do that unless you want to. But I mean, you want to start moving and selling in the USA on ebay.com. The market over here on ebay.com is a hell of a lot bigger than it is on co.uk. So further down the line, you should think about selling on ebay.com as well. But that's further down the line. Again, grow your business first. Get those sales coming in. Start making that moolah and your profit in your bank first. So, let's recap. International sellers, go and sell on ebay.com. It's going to be a hell of a lot easier for you to get started as an eBay dropshipper. Don't come and start dropshipping it in the UK, because there's going to be so many more hurdles for you to jump over. And UK sellers, start on ebay.co.uk. It's so much easier for us to get started here. We don't have to pay VAT until we hit the 85k per year in sales. Now, if you want to get started with eBay dropshipping, go through my training. I have a playlist up here. Well, I'll put the playlist up here so you can go through and check it out. Now, the methods I use to find products to list on my eBay store works on ebay.co.uk, and it also works on ebay.com. So learn the method, because it doesn't matter what country you're selling in, the method works, period. So come up here, look at my training, go through. If you have any questions, please leave a comment down below and I'll try my hardest to get back to you. Now, again, don't take this as advice. I'm just giving you my opinion on the matter. So if you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. I think I've already said that, have I? I'm not too sure. Anyway, go hit subscribe, turn on post notifications so you can be updated for all my further videos. That being said, I've been Paddy, this has been Stacking Profit, and I'll see you again soon.